Welcome back. This is question number 7. Given that, welcome back. This is question number 7. Given this information, we want to find g of p of f of x. Now, to do this, the first thing you have to do is to start from here. So here we have p. We can just put it as p f of x. Should be more interesting to do this way. Now, to do this, here we have p. What is f of x? F of x is x plus 2. What we want to do is, this is p. So anywhere you see x, you plug in this in place of x. So here we have 7 minus, instead of having x, we change it to x plus 2. So here we have this to be 7 minus x minus 2, which is 5 minus x. This is the first thing. Then next, we want to do everything. So here we have g of p of f of x. So we've gotten this to be 5 minus x. So what we have to do is g of 5 minus x. That is, come back to g of x. Anywhere you see x, you plug in 5 minus x. So here we have 2. So instead of having x, you plug in 5 minus x plus 8. Then we simplify this. By simplifying this, we have 2 times 5, which is 10. 2 times negative x, which is negative 2x, and plus 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18 minus 2x. Now, looking at this, you can see that the answer is option C. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to follow for question number 8. Thank you.